Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. Welcome back to Super DESAI Sisters. So today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable tassel garland, and this is the episode 2 of the decor series. So let's go. So to make a tassel, you will need wool, cardboard, scissors and a thread. So to make a tassel, first take the woolen thread and take that cardboard piece which you have taken, and then do what I am doing because I don't know how to explain this. You need to do like this for 80 to 100 times, and then just cut it out and then take it out from that cardboard piece. And then you need to take only a small piece of that woolen thread to tie a knot, and then our tassel will be ready, guys. Top part of the tassel would be really small and the bottom will be long, so you need to do like this. And then I trimmed out the excess. It's hard to put the tassel in string, so I used a straw and put the string in it, the white string of thread. And you need to do the same with the other tassels. And here is my tassel room decor all completed, and this looks really good and amazing in my room. You should try this. If you enjoyed our video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking on this icon, and also check out our previous video and many other videos. Goodbye.